Good morning, everybody. I hope so means God's by Gbpusd, and to the glory of God, we have been able to grow to a certain extent in our trading analysis. So this morning, what we'll be doing this morning is giving you the trading analysis for today. So I'll be talking basically on Gbpusd. Because Gbpusd is Great Britain pounds, and that will really help. And I'll see if I can make analysis on another currency pair, probably Euro GBP, or for lovers of gold, I will search for gold and I'll help you make analysis on it. Now, coming to my screen, you notice that, okay, this is my screen now. This is the currency pair, Gbpusd. Thank God you can see it. Now, you notice that what is happening here is the fact that the candles are trying to rise up to break the, I have the 200 period moving average. This 200 period moving average helps to predict when you are to go into buy and sell. And looking at this, whenever it seems like candles are coming close to moving average, there's every tendency that they might break the 200 period moving average now. Now look at this very well. These candles are seriously coming close to 200 period moving average. So there's every tendency that very soon, once it breaks through, that will be a massive buy. But another thing we are also looking at here is, looking at this place, you will see that last week I told you that there will be a buy, and the buy occurred there. It went up seriously, and a sell occurred and came down to this place. If you observe, you notice that the moving average have crossed themselves at this point. Now that they have crossed themselves at this point, we cannot predict what exactly is going on at this point, because any funny thing can happen, meaning that the moving averages can cross themselves and eventually go down again. So what you do is, it's either you patiently wait or you support yourself with a buy stop. Of course, I thought buy stop as pending orders. I don't know, I think I taught that in my advanced class. But if you've not attended the advanced class, I advise you to do, because there are some things I'll be explaining on this channel that you need the idea of what the advanced class. If you want to contact me on the advanced class, just call me on 080-602-60382. Call me on 080-602-60382. I'll tell you what to do about the advanced class. Please don't call any other person aside that number I just called, 080-602-60382. Maybe I'll put that on the description box below. Now look at it. These two moving averages are crossing themselves. So what you do is you support yourself with a penny order since you are not so sure. So what do? Come here, you pick an arrow and put the arrow here. You can put it 20 pips away. Once you put the arrow here, let's check here. This, let's put the line on that arrow. This is exactly 1.22679. 1.22679. So we'll take a text box. The text box will appear now, you can see. It does come and say Gbpusd. Gbpusd. This is a signal I'm giving you right now. Buy stop at 1.22679. Then you now say TP1. TP1 is your take profit you are taking for that trade. TP, or your TP, probably you now go with your TP. You can just add 20 pips or 10 pips to it. For many of you that know me, I'm a man of 10 pips. Just go with 10 pips, 1.22. Go with 779. I say this. Then your stop loss, you can just go with, let's take 50 pips backwards, loss 1.22179. So once you do this, I mean, this is a beautiful move to enter the market. So if eventually this market goes on a sell, you have no loss because you are using a pending order. That's why I always tell people that pending order is not a trading analysis that is like you are giving probabilities. No, it is just a way to ensure that you go into the market in a sure way. Are you thinking? Just a way to ensure that what you go into the market in a sure way. So thank you very much. Let's go to gold analysis this morning. For gold analysis, I'm going with XAUUSD. For XAUUSD, oh, sorry. Let me just basically go on XAUUSD. XAUUSD, if we come here, it's giving another signal. Okay, let's come to, that's beautiful. Look at good that's appeared. We go to all, and this XAUUSD. See, looking at this analysis, we can't really tell what is happening. You know, this forex market is not my father's market, it's not your own father's market. So you cannot predict what is happening. Probably it's looking like gold. For what I'm seeing, there is a candle. There's a reversal candle that has occurred. So there's evidence that gold is coming to break down this moving period average time. So from what I'm saying, gold might consolidate a bit before it makes a decision. Gold might consolidate a bit before it makes a decision. If I hear you, I will clear off the market. It is not clear. I'm not saying somebody cannot make profit on it, but it's a risky profit. You know when the profit is a risky one. So if I hear you, clear away from the market. Let's see another good currency pair. Another good currency pair can probably be Eurgbp. You know, I said I'll talk about that. I didn't even know how to go to gold. Eurgbp. Click on Eurgbp. You observe that Eurgbp has bought for a long time based on the moving average situation. Sorry, based on the MACD. You look at it, it has bought for a long time. So there's every tendency that Eurgbp might start coming down for itself. But whenever on the MACD, moving average lines have gone for a long back or a long tail, there's every tendency that very soon they might swing. So it might come down. So if I were you, support yourself with a sell stop. Your sell stop should be far, please. No, this market is funny. Your sell stop should be far. Support yourself with a sell stop. Come here. Put it here. Draw out. Once you draw this out, then you notice that the sell stop is there. What, like I did previously, this is 0.85751. You now repeat the same process for yourself. And you say Eurgbp sell stop at 0.85761. You take 20 pips down with 0.85561. Then you now add 50 pips ahead as your sell stop. Meanwhile, your TP should be less since you are selling, and your stop loss should be approved. Thank you very much for making it up to this class. And for those that have not subscribed, please try and subscribe to this channel. It is very useful because apart from the beginners class, I'm even starting a new beginners class this coming week that I'll be updating on this channel. I'll be giving analysis on your daily trading, which can also be helpful. Which is also helpful. Thanks so much. God bless you, and see you in my subsequent videos. Bye for now.